How to send your product video to the first page of search results. Hey there, friends! One of the hardest things to achieve on YouTube is ranking a video on top of the search results pages. In fact, this is the reason why most aspiring YouTube businesses and creators quit. And while it can certainly be discouraging to try to compete and rank in a platform as saturated as YouTube, you'll be glad to know that there is actually a way to rank your video on top, right from the moment you publish it. In this lesson, we are going to show you that trick, so you can send your videos to the first page of search results the easy and fast way, step by step. Step number 1. Upload your video. Start by uploading your video to YouTube. Let's do it from the home page this time. For this, simply click on the camera icon on the top bar menu, and then click on the Upload Video option. Now click on Select File. Locate your video file and double-click on it so your video starts uploading. Step number 2. Optimize for the top ranking and publish your video. Now that your video is uploading, you can start optimizing it. The optimizations we're about to show you differ from the optimizations we applied when we set up the first sales video, because the goal now is to compete for the top ranking on the top page by laser targeting some search terms. Let's start with the video title. This video title should be at least 5 words long, and it has to include your target keywords, search terms, the name of your brand or the product that you are going to promote, and video keywords. If you are unfamiliar with video keywords, allow us to explain them real quick. Video keywords are keywords that the YouTube and Google algorithms identify as keywords related to videos with high traffic. In other words, these are keywords targeted by the most popular videos on the platform. Interestingly, these are very general keywords that, when combined with your niche keywords, can help you compete for the top spot on search results. These keywords include review, how-to, tips, tutorial, funny, as well as keywords related to the fitness, sports, health, and lifestyle niches. By adding the name of your product or brand in the mix, the algorithm differentiates the title from the rest because it makes it unique and places it on top. It is then your job to keep the top place by sending viewers to the video. For this example, we are going to use the tutorial keyword as our video keyword. We are going to combine this keyword with a high-traffic search term and the name of our business at the end of the title. Let's now optimize the description. The strategy here is simple. Compose a description that is 250 characters long. Include all of your target keywords and search terms on this description and your product URL at the end. Now click on Upload Thumbnail to upload your thumbnail image. Then select the No It's Not Made for Kids option in the Audience section. Now click on More Options. Scroll down to the Tags section and insert your keywords and search terms into the Tags field. This is crucial because tags are going to help you index your video faster. Now select the language of your video. Then click on the Category menu button and select the correct category of your video. Then click on Next. For this example, we are going to skip adding elements to this video, so we'll simply click on Next to continue. Finally, you are going to select Public in the Visibility section, and then you're going to click on the Publish button. Step number 3. Verify your ranking. YouTube videos are ranked immediately, and you'll be able to check your spot in the search results pages right away. For this, go to the YouTube homepage, enter the search term in your title, and then click on the search icon. And there you go. As you can see, our video is on the top spot of the search results page. Let's now visit google.com to check the ranking over there. Here, you'll apply the same steps. Type your target search term in the search bar and press Enter to start the search. Then click on the Videos tab. And there you have it again. Our video is right there on the search results for video. It doesn't get any easier than this to send your videos to the first page of search results.